Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Hello, Iris May. I am your cousin, your 10-year-old cousin. And I'm going to read a book for you. Go, dog, go. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? No, I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in. 3 little dogs going out. 3 big dogs going out. 1 red dog on the blue tree. 1 blue dog on the red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car too. Two big dogs going up. 1 little dog going down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. 1 dog up. 1 dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. The yellow dog under a tree. Two dogs in a house. On a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? No, I don't like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. All dogs are going. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is not hot here under the house. It is hot out here in the sun. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work dogs work. Dogs at play. Play dogs play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again, going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go! Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Two dogs that play. Two dogs that play up on top.
Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Three. Go. Do not play up there. Go down.
Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It's time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Except for this one.
Look at those dogs go!
Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they're going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree, to the tree. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go. To the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there? On the top of that tree! Oh no, it's a question! Math! A dog party! A big dog party! Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at the dog party. What a dog party! Hello. Do you like my hat? I do! What hat? I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye.